If you plan to hit the beaches in Cape Town today, you probably had to wait for the afternoon hours when the cloud cover cleared out. The morning looked a bit on the unpleasant side, but Mother Nature made up for itself by bringing back sunshine. And the good news is that will return into your Saturday as well. Let's talk about the latest 24-hour satellite loop where we've had cloud cover locked in along the southern Cape as well, but even that's starting to clear out. We'll call it fine and dry for places like Plettenberg Bay, stretching towards Port Elizabeth. That's for your overnight period, and once again into your Saturday. We've got a bit of cloud over the east coast, but no rain overnight, so dry into Durban. Maybe an isolated thunderstorm near Limpopo, perhaps some drizzle into the escarpment of Mpumalanga, but dry conditions from Johannesburg into Bloemfontein, Dar, stretching towards the west coast. Now, the South African Weather Service has left in one warning tonight. This is for rough seas between Table Bay and Durban. Total seas on the open ocean between 4 and 6 meters, so if you have any water activity plans within this region, do take care. Your futurecast going into the next 24 hours. Remember, mostly cloudy skies along the east coast, but no precipitation into your Saturday, so hit the beaches into Durban, East London, and Port Elizabeth. We do have isolated thunderstorms from Gauteng into the eastern sections of the northwest, as well as Limpopo and the Highveld of Mpumalanga. Otherwise, sunny skies for the western two-thirds of the country, including the south coast. Here's a look at your chances of rain tonight, up to a 40% probability into the Polokwane region. Remember, this chance of rain into Mpumalanga, basically just drizzle, maybe a passing light shower into the northeastern sections of KZN. Otherwise, dry road conditions expected for the rest of South Africa. Our Metrovision brings us into Cape Town, 19 degrees, a very comfortable overnight period, mostly clear skies and moderate southeasterly winds. That will change to a southwester for Saturday afternoon, keeping some of the beaches along the Atlantic seaboard a bit on the cool side. However, the city bowl of Cape Town expected to reach a high of 30 under mostly sunny skies. Your wind stream map across the country. Because of our very tranquil weather pattern in sight, we're not expecting any strong winds on Saturday, so enjoy. Remember, just a light southwester into Cape Town, maybe moderate at times, and perhaps a northeaster into KwaZulu-Natal, but that's pretty status quo for this time of year. Temperatures overnight will drop into the middle and upper teens for most locations. 18 for Durban, 17 for Johannesburg, 14 for Port Elizabeth, 12, however, for George. Daytime highs will be very summer-like this Saturday. Upper 20s expected across the eastern half of the country. 26 degrees for Johannesburg, 28 for Pretoria, 29 near Mahikeng, 29 for Sutherland, but a scorcher. 37 for Uppington. Temperatures in the middle and upper 20s along the east coast. Warming up from there on Sunday, maybe a passing shower into Durban. Highveld thunderstorms possible. Sunny and warm over the southwestern Cape. And by Monday, the time when everybody heads back to work, Cape Town warming all the way to 31.